Are you tired of this all the time, putting your screw on there and it always falls off? Pick it back up, you gotta bend over to get it, put it back on, and it falls off again. I got the screwdriver that will change everything. Stick around, guys. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a screwdriver that will change the way you think. Now, a couple things I wanna get right out of the way. First and foremost is, if my videos have ever given you any value, please smash that thumbs up right now on this video. Go back and smash all the rest of the thumbs up. It does help my video, guys. It does help my channel. It does help get my videos all promoted and my channel promoted. Trying to get where I can get monetized, so help me out, guys. Also, make sure that you subscribe. That does help too. All right, one other thing I want to say first off is I am a big lover of Klein tools. I love the fact that they're all made in the United States. However, the one I'm going to show you today is not, but it is a good screwdriver. So I'm buying this screwdriver so you don't have to. Now me, I prefer to have electric screwdrivers, so I don't have to do this all the time. But I saw this and I thought, I wonder if it's any good, and I'm going to tell you, it's amazing. Now I'm not going to, there's plenty of videos on this screwdriver right here. This is the ball screwdriver. Plenty of videos on this screwdriver right here. I'm just going to give you a couple of the greatest things that I see about it, because I'm not going to make this 10 minutes long. I'll try not to. But I'm going to try to make this as less painful as possible. So just give you the heads up what I think of it. I don't like particularly buying Kleins that are made elsewhere. I don't know why, for whatever reason they decided to have this in Japan, but you can see it right there. It's definitely in Japanese. It does say right on the back, made in Japan. It also, I believe, says, I thought it says Texas on there, so it also says Mexico. So, but this is definitely made in Japan. So I'll leave a link down below. You can get this. I do like it. I can't say anything bad about it. Like I said, I've used it here in my shop, classroom rather. It's amazing. It takes all kinds of bits, and all these bits are extremely tight when they go in here. Really love this screwdriver. So without further ado, let's put this in here. That comes with the flat, comes with the Phillips. I'm gonna show you what I think is pretty amazing about this. So you just put this in here like this, and it clicks in, and that's it, and it's in. It's not coming out. It is super, super tight. Now, one thing I like about this, really like about this, is how many times do you put a 632 in a device or a drywall screw, and you're trying to put it in the wall, and you saw what happened in the first video, it falls out every single time, and it sucks. So with this one, it's not magnetized, but when you put the screw on, guys, now it came off that time, but I literally had to, guys. So it does not come off. You put a screw on there and it stays. So when you go to put the 632 in, it stays. I'm gonna show you right here, a 632 in action. Screwdriver, 632, it's not coming off. You have enough to put it in and screw it, and it's not coming off. Now, well, that one finally came off. Yeah, it's over there, but that did come off, but I had to really, you're not gonna do that. I mean, how many times have you tried to put a screw in and get right to the edge and it falls off? It sucks. Easy way to get it out, you just pull this collar right here, there's a gray collar, you just pull it, boop, put it back in, boop, snaps in, and it's good and tight. No noise. Awesome, awesome screwdriver. Very ergonomically correct. The ball fits perfectly right in your palm of your hand to turn it. So when I do have to use a screwdriver, I have been using this often, and I think it's a pretty awesome thing. I will leave a link, like I said, down below to this thing. Like I said, I'm not going to go into any more detail. The best thing about this is the screws don't fall off. And last but not least, if you have one of these little bits like this, that's very short, you know, a little stubby beep, 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 that you're putting a screw in with, and say you're ready to go home for the day, you don't want to lose this or somebody steal it, you just flip it over, take it out, flip it over, put it in, boom, now it's hidden inside. It's pretty awesome, guys. I mean, I can't say enough good things about Klein stuff. I just wish it was made in America. Obviously, it was probably designed in America, made in Japan, but whatever. So it is what it is. I bought this so you didn't have to, but now I want you to because it's amazing. It will change your way that you screw All right, this is the Fastbit Tru-Grip screwdriver, model number 32960A. I will leave the link down below to this. You definitely, it's so cheap that you can't afford not to have it, honestly, because it's just that cheap. And it's not made cheap because it's Klein, but it is amazing, guys. I promise. If you try it, let me know down below. Links will be down below if you decide to buy it. It will help my channel grow. All the money goes right back to this channel so I can keep making it your second opportunity or third, fourth, whatever. Give me that thumbs up on this video so I can get the word out to everybody. They can find my channel. My channel can keep growing. I can get monetized, and we can just keep bankrolling these videos straight after that. If you want to see how to bend conduit, very first video, click right here. It shows step-by-step how to bend conduit. If you're interested in that, it will help you understand the bender, and then you can watch all the videos in the series so you will know how to bend very good by the time you get to where you need to be. Guys, if you like what you see, like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Have a great day.